saw the theatre as an opportunity to analyse human life, to be political. Theatre for the brain and not for the heart. He wanted to educate the audience, to open their eyes and challenge them. Brecht's plays belong to the epic movement, with a series of scenes and chain of events. As a communist, the message would always be political and moral. Brecht's methods of presenting plays was always through alienating the audience. This is called Verfremdungseffekt, or the V effect. He rejected naturalistic approaches to acting. The actors perform the characters and don't become emotionally absorbed and live the characters. To ensure that the audience was not immersed in the emotion, Brecht used a number of theatrical techniques to alienate the audience. Brecht's approach was pioneering in its time and is still unique today.